Okay, thanks. Welcome to the video. Today we'll be doing page 83, where you are given the zero view angle from the triangular prism. I'm going to get started by redrawing the zero view, then drawing the front view. So you're told this overall length is 44. So you're going to mark up of 44 on each side. Then you can open 44 and draw a triangle. Select ABC, then project down at 30 degrees. This is your XY line. Then about 10 millimeters away, that's where we're going to start the front view. You can see it's 77 long. Then to get to the cutting plane, we need to measure 26 this side and 21 on this side. Then we draw those points. Once you have that, we can label it in correspondence to the zero view. On this side, we have B, A, and C. Same thing on this side, B, A, and C. Remember that a prism has triangles on both sides. Like this, there's a triangle, there's another triangle on the other side. And so this side is B, This first triangle that is A, first triangle that is on this side. Then the auxiliary view is how you are looking at it directly from the actual shape, which is S1. Then when you flip it like that, that's when you have triangles on the other side. We're now going to cover the top view. So we'll go 10 millimeters down. And then draw our XY. I just have to move my visualizer. So we're now going to project 1, 2, 1, 2 down. Once they've been projected down, we're going to use the auxiliary view at our point. So I'm going to start with B. I'm going to place it on the XY line. Then go to B, like that. Then where I projected B down, I'm going to have a point here. And I'm going to have a point here. So this is my point B, my point B. Just make sure they're in line with each other. Then moving on, we need to now get A and C. So we'll start with A from XY to A, which is here. Then A is there. Then I can just transfer it to the other side. So I have A here, also have A here. Now lastly, we're going to get C. XY to C. So place it just on one side, like that. And transfer it to the other side. T and C. Once you have that, now you can join those points in construction because they want a sectional top view. So in construction, you can just join them. And then you can see that A and A are joined, B and B, C and C. You do the same here. So you will take B and join it with B. A, join it with A. C, join it with C. And then now for the section, you can see the cutting plane cuts line B, B here, A and C are being cut there. So you're going to take your A, where it's touching line, oh that's B, where it's touching B, here. So you'll have a point here. Then where it's cutting A and C at this point here. So you have C on this side, you have A, in this sum. Those 3 points are going to be joined and are going to. So this is what you will have, and you will see that this side, this triangle that's on this side all the way up until here has been cut off. That means you will need to only outline what remains. So what remains is everything from this point going this side. So on line BB, we only have up until here. But on line AA, we have from here up until here, which is from here up until here. As well as on line CC, we have from C up until the cutting plane point. So we'll take that point. Where is this side? The outline also from D to that point. Once you have that, you can outline. So that's how it looks like. Take my 45 and H. So here, there's no hidden detail that we can. Actually, this one, so we will get, I think this one, same hidden detail. So there is your hidden detail. Then we can now go 10 out and draw the 45-degree line for a right view, sectional right view. So this is your x1, y1, x2, y. From there, you can just project those C, B, A, and so 45-degree line, and keep those points up. So this is C, B, and A. So here we have A and C. On that side, this is where we got line C. Where it meets with it, we're going to point C. And then we will have point A here. Then in the middle, we will have B. Same thing for the top cut. This is A and C. To C on this side, A. Then at the top, B. Using a construction line, we're going to join them, form two triangles. From the pivot, then we need to project the cutting plane cuts B here to a point on line B, and line A and C, they're being cut there. So A, there's a point there, C, there's a point there. So there and A, and then C, we can immediately join them. So hatching in the same direction. Then this piece has been cut off, so we only drawing what's below it. So we will have A to C to A, which is this. So basically this triangle has not been cut off. This part will be inherent here. It's not visible. Right. Then we into point also inherent here. So these are our views. Now we have to draw for a tree shape. Since I'm already using this piece here, I'm just going to then draw it the side. So we're going to draw it the side somewhere here. I just want to erase this line, it's too long. So I'm going to, normally I would say extend your point, but it's already extended when we projected it down. So that means you're just going to put your focus on this one here, then bring it down to the where it's touching this line that you extended down. You're going to take it across like that, same as this one. Take it across. So this whole set is our X3, Y3, this line here. Oh, but it's a bit tacky, so I'll just move it outside the drawing. Let me just move the X line outside the drawing. So I will just put it here so that it's not too tacky. So this will be my X3 and Y3. Since our points are already there anyways, they're passing through here, so it will just serve as the X1 line. Because if it's here, it's just a bit tacky. It's now mixing with the actual lines that came from mixing the drawing. So let me just erase this X3 here. So remember, we're taking this one, we extended it, then we, from the same point, we open this, then we brought it down to where we extended it, then took it across. So once we have that, we are going to be using the top view. So in this line, we're going to go from XY to point C, XY to point C. Then our point C is on this line, as you can see. And we are going to then mark it still on the same line, XY to point A. Place it here, then mark it. And lastly, point B. XY to B, which is there. Then we're going to place it here. And then mark it. And those are our true shape points. Once you have them, you can take your 45, still in the same direction, and hatch it. So there is your completed drawing for page 83. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.